and grind to all you lovely folks out there. Hope you all are having a blessed morning and also a blessed 2021, that is. So we have some good news today. I had to take a sip for it, as you guys see. Yes. BCL is back, guys. Beyond City Limits. It's going down this morning. We about to do a crew meetup real quick around the corner. Then we're gonna go ahead over there to the location where it will be at. If you guys, for the ones who've seen the last BCL, it was lit. So this one is about to be even more crazier in a good way, that is. So you guys just stay in tune. I'm trying to warm up. Got that calamansi juice with that lime in it, that cinnamon. Oh yeah. You guys stay in tune. We're about to be right back, man. So we are here with the bro this morning. Oh, y'all see Gumby right there, man. The bro thing, man. He had to bring that thing out up on him. Yeah. Yes, sir. That thing's sitting low. Where's that at? Hurry up, fool. So the rolling time is at 6:30. It is 6:34. We're supposed to have been there. Bro hit me up early morning and said, come on, be ready. And I was already ready. Now his ass ain't ready. He lit. Hurry up. Bro, so we just now made it here, guys. It's lit. Bro gotta move his car. So it's lit right now. I made it here earlier than I did last time. Last time I think I got here around like 7-ish, 8. It was wild then. So I can imagine how it's gonna be around that time today. So we're about to go ahead and get out here, go see these cars real quick, and you guys will be able to experience the pull-in. Last time I got the let go. You know, so we're gonna get that experience this time. I appreciate you guys for rocking with me, man. You guys make sure you subscribe. But another thing, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Also, hit that notification button, guys. Keep coming back, man. As you guys can see, we are growing. Thanks to you guys, man. You guys are able to check out all the dope ass cars on the West Coast area, that is. For my East Coast people, from the Midwest, for the South people out there, man. Appreciate you guys, man. I found out I got some people out there watching, man. Appreciate you guys, man. Blessings to all you guys, man. So we about to go ahead and do this thing. We about to put some music on behind that thing. Shout out to the bro right there, Gumby. Yes, sir. Nah, no candy, no candy. I had candy yesterday. I had candy in a minute.
You feel me?
But it's that time, guys. You already know what to do. Sit back, relax.
I was gone at 1 last night, but this motherfucker still woke up late.
No, I didn't. I was up at 5. Okay, we out, guys, though. Let's get to it. We are live, baby. We live. We live. Guys, how's it going? Hey, how's it going, man? Yes, sir. You guys already know. Nice. This yours, right?
Huh?
This yours?
Yeah.
Nice. How's it going, my brother? Good to meet you again, man.
You too.
Did you see the video?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it just hit 3K.
Oh, damn.
So I can imagine what this one's gonna hit.
Yeah, because last time when you came, I had the stock trunk. Now
it's different, eh? It's carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Good shit, bro. I love the progress, man. You keep going, man.
You too, brother.
It's never stopping. Like, It's never ending with these mods, man. Love it, gentlemen. Good morning, gentlemen. How's it going? Good. I love the cars. Lots of hard work. Clean right here. You already know what the fuck goes on. This shit clean right here. Big boy right there though. You already know what this is right here. Hey, good morning, my brothers. How's it going, man? Hey, love the cars, bro. Hey, appreciate it, man. Kjwrapz. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing good, thank you. No, you guys are okay. Nice, look at this. This shit's clean, guys. It's one of the cleanest traps I've seen on the Tesla right there.
I'm trying to curse a whole lot of money in this brown bag. Is it real? Is it good trick? She can make it good. Good dick, got it coming back.
Hey, good morning, sir. How's it going? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I see the monster truck right here, man. It's big lit. Good morning. Nice. Look at it. You got the bro, this is the bro right here, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, it's like that out here. It's like that out here. It is like that out here. I see it. Nice. Hey, good morning, gentlemen. Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning, good morning.
She go come running back to me.
Hey, good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Let it stay that night and I barely even touched it. Sex got everything back.
Sir. Fuck yeah. Woo! What's up, y'all? Good morning. Y'all already know. What's good, my brother? Good morning. I love my hotels. I'm almost getting there with you.
Love it. You go. You rock.
Oh, shit.
We were bored this guy here too.
Mm-hmm. Hell yeah. I might see you guys.
Yeah, I know. I was
Back
like,
in the woods.
I know. We're like thinking you'll be here.
Yeah, I got Edmund all by himself down there pulling in. For once.
Starting to double stack down there.
Yeah?
We parked down there.
Did I see you guys here last time?
No, we weren't here last time.
Okay, yeah, last time I got here around like 8 and it was double stacked all the way down. I was like, man, I was able to get in the middle of it.
We're coming out Skyline.
Yeah. Fuck here, man. It was so nice last time. I like that. Let's try to YouTube something. Hey, good morning, gentlemen. How's it going? They got the GTRs lined up, y'all. Relocate later on. Oh, yeah. Shit decked out. She had this shit decked out, y'all. Yeah, it'd be more crisp, especially on that. I'll see you though. Look at the details. Look at them details right there, man. Yes, sir. What the Jolly be on the back saying "fuck you"? That's the. Oh, look at this one. Oh, I gotta get this shit from the front. Right, it is, though. Right. Seriously. Hello, good morning. Nice. Yes, sir. Yeah. Right. For sure. For sure. Yeah. I just yeah. Thing clean though. Yes, sir. Oh, here we got another one. This. Hey, good morning, boss. How's it going?
What's up, bro? This is what I woke up to, man. Oh, they go to TT right there. I should have parked next to this motherfucker.
We didn't come down this way. Yep. Yeah, I see 280 right there. Man. Look at this. Whew. Whew. This probably sounds crazy. That motherfucker's on. Nice, we got the Kjwrapz on that side. Oh, now he forgot the Lego though. Oh, the Lego, I gotta get this. What? That's clean. Oh, I see the Lego right there. What? Nice. Hey, good morning. How's it going? Nice. I like it. Hella clean. It's hella clean. Fuck yeah.
I was supposed to direct traffic with them. I was like, fuck, I couldn't make it. Yeah, I thought.
This thing comes down. You guys see how? This bitch is deep.
Trucks though. That's SK type right there. You know what I'm saying? It's that neighborhood swag. Damn, that bitch is butter. That bitch is butter.
Right.
Other trucks. You know what I'm saying?
Everything beefy.
Choose your motherfucking. That bitch, look at this here right here though. This on 30.
I see it though. Look good.
That shit probably bigger than my Audi, bro. The tire.
Nice. Look how they did this one.
Dito. Okay lang. Ano nangyari sa ilalim mo nakapark? Anong diferensya ng difference? Buta na, gas na tayo. Eh? Oo, ako yung high pressure fuel pump. Buta. Pinalitan mo na yung water pump.
Y'all already know. I'm gonna say that to y'all, the natives. These bros out here, man.
Right? That's why I was happy we watched our part yesterday.
Hey, y'all, we're going back now.
Dude, I see people.
Ano ko naman?
Nice, nice. Hey, good morning. Good. How about yourselves?
Another cold one, you know?
Oh, man. sir. Competitor, boy.
And ain't been like that, though. I've been with his team before, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was with his team before. It was him. It was natives.
Oh, yeah? Oh, that's it?
Yeah. Before, but now he's Godspeed.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. Huh?
They call that shit Godspeed.
That's all I know. It's good to have a lot of people, but you don't have chemistry is not good. That's what people like. Shoot each other down and shit. I like that nigga right here. Yeah. Hey, rise and grind, my brother. How's it going? Yes, sir. This shit's clean right here.
That shit's clean.
I know it's gonna be sweet. This, can't forget this. Sir, y'all see it, man. Hey, good morning, my brothers. How's it going? Good morning. Until 9. Oh yeah, right. This was last time. This is cool. I already know about this shit, man. They already know about this shit. Oh, God, see that? Hey, good morning, man. I was able to get your car down. I was lit. How you been?
Cold?
Oh, I was hoping it would have been like last time. Oh, yeah. A lot of people was up.
I was like, fuck. I need to clean my car today because I'm going to the Chinatown one.
Yeah. Oh, later on, right?
Yeah.
Wow, where that shit at?
Chinatown is home.
Oh,
They're
they
like
do that
it's a mini car show. They're testing the new